My name is Erica Scanlon. I'm from the Pendleton area. The Hancock X-ray program was a really good hands-on program. I'm a visual and hands-on learner, so doing the book work during class days, which was once a week, and then being clinicals 4 times a week was really good experience to put the book work with the hands-on and just get that all experience doing outpatients, inpatients, you're in surgery. All techs do things a little bit different, so just working with multiple people. You also have multiple rotations with MRI, CAT scan, ultrasound, and nuclear medicine. That kind of gives you an overview of what all hospitals have to offer, whether it be you want to stay in X-ray or venture out like I did to do ultrasound. You can go back to school or be cross-trained in CT, MRI, ultrasound, and nuclear medicine. So those are all great opportunities that you're able to see here at the hospital. I would recommend this program to anyone who is a very hands-on visual learner. There's multiple ages and groups of people that you're working with every single day, so if you have a really open personality and you like talking with people, working with people, and just helping people, this is definitely the field to choose.